Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will walk you through the steps to delete your Temu account. Let's get started. Open the Temu app on your smart device and make sure you are signed into your account. By opening the Temu of the application on the homepage at the bottom of the screen, you can see your profile that says you and click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the setting option, which is presented in the shape of a hexagon, and then click on it. A new page will open where you will go down to the Account Security option and click on it. By clicking on the Account Security option, the next page will open, where you will also find the Delete Your Temu Account option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will explain in detail what will happen if you delete your account. There is also an option if you only want to temporarily delete your account. Then you should check the option. I want to permanently delete my Temu account. And then click on Continue, where the Temu application will ask you for a reason why you want to delete your account. The only thing left is to tick one of the offered answers and then click Continue. And that's it. By following these steps, you can delete your Temu account. Remember, this action is usually irreversible, so make sure you are safe before completing the process. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.